All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something very special. This is the BilletSpin Matrix. It's a spinning top. I'm gonna check it out real quick, but you know what? You can check out fablades.com and add Fablades on Instagram. Let me know what is going on there. And here is going on. This button right over here, it says subscribe. The other one, it says like. Just go ahead, smash those. And you're gonna be super happy because here we have something to show you. And if you would have smashed also that bell button right over there, you would have received like a notification about this gorgeous piece. This is a very complex spinning top by BilletSpin. It is an exotic one. Of course, you get to see some Damascus, flamed damascus steel, flamed stainless steel, and this fella right over here is made of 9 pieces. It's not just like a chunk of whatever metal and just machined. These are 9 individual pieces assembled together. And this design is so artistic and performing that I had to make a video. These materials are really high quality. The bearing right over there is tungsten carbide, just to achieve near frictionless action. So I'm just gonna, because there's no sound unless you're spinning it, there's no movement unless it's moving, there's a lot of look here, knurled. Look at this thing. Look at this details of this stem right over there. Inside you get some like Damascus, of course. Look at the flamed damascus steel on the inside. This is just a gorgeous piece, guys. They are running around 500 bucks, so not a cheap spinning top whatsoever. It is super balanced. Look at this. It just stabilized itself in like a very short amount of time. It can spin like for a super long time. And for the case, like they used to give like a cell, actually like a base, which is crystal. It's concave on both sides. And like over here, you just spinning like that. It's gonna produce a little bit of sound, of course. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's very pleasant. And it's gonna describe like a kind of like a flower kind of thing all around that. It's gonna, the base is gonna help to contain the spinning action in one point, but you can still just do enjoy the spinning top without the base. It's gonna actually manage to stabilize and center itself quicker than that because of the concave shape of that and the flat shape of the surface. So these spinning tops are just crazy long. They have a crazy long spinning time. The manufacturing is just ridiculous. Second to none, probably the best spinning tops in the market. They are fancy, they are expensive, but they look amazing and they last pretty much forever, guys. So there you have it. I really hope that was a super bad. I cannot end the video like that. So it's gonna end like this, with this little thing spinning and just slowly fading away. As I say, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned.